Hello students, welcome to BioExplorer. Today we cleared it out about the seed. In this video, we talk about the two important part of a seed, that is Epicotyl and Hypocotyl. To understand the seed germination procedure, the knowledge of the part of a seed is necessary. So, at first we talk about the Epicotyl and later Hypocotyl. So, what is Epicotyl? So, Epicotyl is the upper part of the cotyledon. So, basically, the portion of axis above the point of attachment of cotyledon. So, this is the attachment of the cotyledon, and this is the upper part of the attachment. So, the portion of axis above the point of attachment, above the point of attachment of cotyledon is called the epicotyl. Whereas the lower part of the attachment of cotyledon is called hypocotyl. The lower part of the attachment of cotyledon is called hypocotyl. Hypocotyl is the first part of the radicle and epicotyl is the first part of the plumule, from where the stem was born, and the radicle from where the root was born. So this is the dicot seed and this is the monocot seed. In case of monocot, if this part is the cotyledon, this upper part is the epicotyl and this lower part is the hypocotyl. For more interesting video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.